In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and account.squarespace.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from Squarespace's start page into your account dashboard, open your website workspace, and navigate directly to the products section to begin setting up a physical product. Start by heading to Squarespace's Create Your Website page. This is the standard entry point that works whether you're brand new or returning. Open it in a fresh browser tab so you can keep your place. If you're not already signed in, you may see prompts to log in or start a trial. Either is fine. The important part is simply getting to the main Squarespace start screen. Look to the top right corner and click the profile icon. It's the small avatar circle that opens account options. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that now so Squarespace can load your sites and account tools. A quick tip. If you juggle multiple logins, make sure you're using the email associated with the site you want to work on. From that menu, choose Account Dashboard. This brings you to the central hub for your Squarespace account. Here you'll see your sites, domains, billing, and other services. It's a great page to bookmark because you'll use it often. If you manage several sites, they'll appear as separate tiles so you can quickly pick the right one. Next, select Website. This opens the workspace for your chosen site, so you can access settings, pages, and commerce features. If you have more than one site, click the correct site tile first, then choose Website. If you don't immediately see your site, confirm you're in the right account and refresh. Sometimes it takes a second for everything to load. Once you're inside your site's editor or configuration area, use the search field at the top to find what you need fast. Type Products, then click the Products result to open the Commerce Product Manager. This is the centralized place where you'll organize all items you plan to sell. Inside Products, choose Physical Product. This is designed for tangible items you ship to customers. Selecting this option prepares the product setup tailored for physical goods, including inventory, shipping, and variants. If you were selling downloads or services, you'd choose a different product type. But for shippable items, Physical Product is the correct path. If you don't see products, double-check your site permissions and make sure your plan supports commerce features. That's it. You've gone from the Squarespace start page, into your account dashboard, into your website workspace, and straight to the products area, ready to add a physical product. Save this workflow, and you'll be able to repeat it quickly whenever you add more items to your store.